Hey guys, so we're here in Animal Kingdom.
I have some chips, and I have the pork flatbread, and a soda for now.
This is the chicken flatbread, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got some chicken. It's like curry marinated chicken with some lettuce, tomatoes, zucchini I believe, with some really good chips, homemade fried chips. And this is the pork flatbread, same thing. The only difference is that the protein is pork and then the protein on this one is chicken.